Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in Fiverr. So just click on here in the top right hand corner. We're currently on the seller dashboard, and just click on profile here. Wait for it to load, and you'll be redirected here on your profile, and you'll see this options, your preview Fiverr profile, description, languages, skills, education, certification. You can edit all of those. And if you want to change your display name, just click on here. Just click on there, it highlights, then it says change display name. After that, you'll see this. So choose your display name to help build credible and authentic connections with customers. They'll now see your display name. So we suggest using your first name and first initial of your last name. And you'll still see your unique username in some areas. So it says that they suggest using your first name, then the first initial of your last name. So just like that, and just save it, and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.